Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the sounds of each letter. Some of you are not from the United States and you're teaching your children English. We're going to go over the sound that each letter makes, and then I'm going to teach you an alphabet song. So first of all, I'm just going to flash the cards, and you can use any flashcards. You can get flashcards at the dollar store. You can get flashcards that you can make yourself. Just make them on a piece of cardboard, a piece of paper. Just make sure you always put the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. And it's best if you write the letters in black and then put the vowels in red, just so the children know the difference. So I'll just go ahead and I'm just going to kind of put it up close, and remember to subscribe and like this so we can get this out to as many people as we can. I just want to help people. That's why I'm here. You know, if I can be of help to you and to help you with your children or your grandchildren or your preschool or your kindergarten or anything you're working with, that's why I'm here. So this is, and when I do a vowel, I always give the long sound and the short sound. So I always say A says A and A. B says B, not B. C says K, not Ka or Ka, but K, K. Make sure you don't put the schwa sound in it. D, D. E, E and E, E, F, F, G, G. Make sure it comes from your throat, G. H, these are new cards, can you tell? You know, I'm not perfect at this, but I hope none of us are perfect, and I hope none of us expect to be perfect. I and I, J, J, K, K, L, O, M, M, N, N, O, O and Ah, P, P, Q, Qua. That's the only one that has the schwa sound in it. R, not R, but S, S, T, T. U is U and A. V, V. W, 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 W. X, X. Y, Y. And Z, Z. All right, now we're going to go through them, and I'm going to teach you a song. Now, don't mind my singing. Kindergartners, don't mind my singing. I'm not here to make a living off of singing. I'm just here to help you learn. So this is actually a Challenger School song, but I'm not making money on this song. I'm not promoting this song. I'm just sharing it with you. So it goes like this. What does the A say? A and A. And whenever we get to a vowel, I always have the children go like this. So we're going to do that as we go through the song. What does the A say? A and A. What does the B say? B, B, B. What does the C say? K, K, K. What does the D say? D, D, D. What does the E say? E and A. What does the F say? F, F. What does the G say? G, G, G. What does the H say? What does the I say? I and I. What does the J say? J, j, j. What does the K say? K, k, k. What does the L say? Oh. What does the M say? Mm. What does the N say? Mm. What does the O say? O and ah. What does the P say? P, p, p. What does the Q say? Qua, qua, qua. What does the R say? What does the S say? S, s. What does the T say? T, t, t. What does the U say? U and ah. What does the V say? V. What does the W say? Wah, wah, wah. What does the X say? X, x, x. What does the Y say? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What does the Z say? Z. What do we call these forms and sounds? English alphabet letters. Yeah. So anyway, that's a fun song. And it's great to use with children when they're first learning their alphabet. I always put it in order. Once they've learned all the letters of the alphabet, then I actually mix it up. We're singing the same tune, but I mix all the letters up. That way, I know that they know the letters of the alphabet, but I don't mix them up probably until maybe March or April. And so I would say, what does the ya say? Ya, ya, ya. What does the X say? X, x, x. What does the M say? Mm. What does the A say? A and ah. What does the B say? Ba, ba, ba. What does the C say? K, k, k. Anyway, this is kind of so you can see how the song goes when they're mixed up, when they're together. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you don't like the song, you know what? Make up your own song. Make up a song to row, row, row your boat. The sound of the letters. And if you have any questions on the letters of the alphabet and the sound that they make sure and contact me. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer your questions, and please share your ideas if you have ideas. And I just love being here. I love sharing with you and helping you in any way that I can. So let's just keep in touch, and until next time, have a great day. And here in America, it's Thanksgiving, so have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you.